Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Rodian and we're building a house. Today we are going to be looking at getting this gable, the whole thing completely finished, apart from the top of the chimney. So we want all up here, all across the top and all down there. We want that finished with that nice dental course. One of you said that it's dental course, not denture course. My apologies, I've been calling it a denture course for a long time. So yeah, we're gonna get that all done. That's the aim of the game today. Right, what's the plan of action? So first off, I've built this little section up, just a couple of courses in line with the roof line, and then I'm going to build this section up here, sort of up to the underside of that soffit and also in line with the timbers of the roof and these blockwork, and then I can fill this whole section in. I'm not doing what I did with the reciprocating saw last episode on here, no, the episode before that, on here. I'm just going to string the line up from here to here and cut them as I go. The other way, the easier way of doing it, and then I can put the dental course over the top and all that. And then what I'll do is, once I've got that section done, well, this whole section done here, I'm going to go over to this side and do exactly the same. Build up that, oh look, yeah, I've tested out an idea for the roofing. I'm going to finish, do the same down there, build up here and fill that in. I'm going to save the chimney for an episode on itself, so that'll be coming. I'll leave that coming out the roof and basically do exactly the same as I'm doing on this side over there, just missing the chimney out. I'll build it up a little bit so I can build it in, but basically that's that. And then I'll just run that same dental course, whatever it's called, all the way through there, and then that should be this section done. I want to do this one first because the other side is like half the size, so it's going to be easier, so I'd rather do the more difficult one first. And then we're coming to the end of all the brickwork. Then after that, once I've done these two gables, it's just a chimney and that's it. Put the roof on after that. That's why there's a few battens over there, a bit of felt. I'm just testing out different positions of having the tiles. I want to make sure I get it right. So I'll just do a little test out, do over the weekend. And yeah, I'm gonna have to think of some other brickwork to do for you guys when I've done all this. I have to do some sort of garden walls and things like that, but there's plenty more to come. Right, so let's jump on with this, get this gable built, eh? So there we go, there's one half of this done. Just got to do this side now and then we'll finish on this gable. And the problem is, I'm feeling a bit lazy, it's a bit cold today, and I think we'll just use the power of YouTube and just do it. I think the snapper's broke. And there we go, just like that, we're done. If Thanos was a bricklayer, eh? We have this nice detail set up on this gable, little section up there to finish when I build the chimney, but that's no problem. I didn't get a chance to run this in. The weather has been not very good, but a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and it's just been so wet where you can see the water coming down here. I'll just finish this section off when I do the chimney, which will be in an episode or two's time. As I said in the title, do we have a problem? There appears to be a fair bit of efflorescence on this wall and on that chimney. Now, I've used these bricks before. I built an extension out of these before, and it had exactly the same thing. All the bricks have been kept dry, they've been kept out of the rain, built the thing. It was in probably sort of roughly the same sort of time, between February and April kind of time I built that extension, and exactly the same thing happened. You get efflorescence, because if I show you round, under this scaffolding, there's only a tiny little bit of efflorescence. You get a little bit just down here. A little bit there, a tiny little bit there, a tiny little bit there, and also we have it around this side ever so slightly. Just a little pocket bit of efflorescence there. Now, I was kind of hoping this wasn't going to happen, but I knew there was a chance of it happening. These bricks are particularly susceptible to efflorescence. I think it's because they're so porous, they just suck all the water in, and all the salt that's in there, it just gets pushed out in the heat when it evaporates. In my experience, you throw a bucket of water over it and it goes away, which is what I'm hoping is going to happen in this case on this flank over here where we got it all over the wall. Any of you guys got any ideas? Have any of you guys done any ways of treating efflorescence and fixed it, or is it just something I'm just going to wait and it will go away? Because like I said, on that other extension I did, it's gone. Drove past it a few days ago just to double check it, and there's no efflorescence whatsoever, and I've got someone here, so I think it might just be something I have to deal with. Throw a couple of buckets of water over it. But down in the comments, give me your opinions. What do you reckon? Have you guys got any genius ideas of getting rid of it? Or yeah, just let me know down in the comments, it'd be appreciated. Oh, one other thing, I was also told that jet washing efflorescence works. I don't think that's a good idea, jet washing it, but anyone else had an experience with that? Let me know as well, please do. Interesting. I don't really want to try something and make it worse. Well, I think we'll leave it there for this episode, guys. One thing before I go, a few episodes ago, I think it was when the chippies were putting the time lapse of the roof on, I asked you guys, would you guys be interested in watching vlogs of nothing to do with the build, like me making other videos, short little films of all sorts of different bits and pieces? A lot of you are very positive about it, but a fair few of you said that you didn't want to see it on this channel. So what I've done is I've set up another channel, links down below, and there'll be a link at the end of the video. Click on that, go and subscribe. Hopefully, currently I only have 2 subscribers, myself and one of you guys. I forget who it is, Martin I think it is. Yeah, spot on for you, mate. Well appreciated that subscribe, even though there's no videos on it at the moment, but I'm looking to put a video up on Saturday, and that'll be the first one. It's just going to be me making videos, nothing to do with the build, just, I know I've got a few trips planned. I'm going to America, going to Belgium. I'm probably going to vlog all that, and just, I've really enjoyed this YouTube, and I want to do more. I want to do a lot more. I've got ideas of, I want to try and do short films and things like that maybe. But yeah, so that's what's going to be on that channel. So go over there, subscribe, like down below if you've enjoyed this episode, comment away, help me out with this efflorescence problem, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. So see you later, take care.